What's up, goodies? Welcome back to your girl channel and to my kitchen, how to cook. And today we are making one quick burger in the kitchen. Fast, easy, and simple. Make sure you subscribe, goodie, if you have not, and turn on the post notifications so you won't miss any other upload. And for all I'm returning goodie, on the don't know some love on the ready for cook. Come on, let's cook. Alright, goodies, on the ready for cook up this burger, yeah? Make we cook it fast, easy, and simple with things that I already have at home for sure, okay? Now it is cold out here in Atlanta and it's also snowing, and y'all, I'm going to use what I have here at home for make this one, alright? Because we snowed in. Now, to get started, I am going to be drying for my bacon. Yes, baby. Now, of course, you could substitute out this particular bacon for turkey bacon, of course. But I'm going to use fresh bacon for this thing. Yeah. Now, I'm going to be frying up my bacon for, I'll say, maybe about a minute and a half or so until crispy and golden brown. However you like it, you do it, okay? But I'm cooking for two. That's it for me and Obi. So all I need here is just a few strips of the bacon here because I need it for my burger, okay? All right, y'all, another thing, make sure say, oh no, I like up the video. Make sure so not strip the video. Make sure so not tell a friend, but tell a friend, okay? Thank you for all the love and support here on the channel, How to Cook. Thank you for all my newbies, and thank you for all my oldies but goodies right there, sir. Okay, all right, so let's go ahead and put these bacons up in here. I'm not gonna be talking too much because when someone will complain, oh, me I talk a lot in the video, whatever. Okay, but listen, the only reason why I'm not gonna talk too much, I'm kind of cool. But we're gonna go ahead and fry up these babies, and then we are going to move on to the next step. Okay, goodies, moving right along, I'm going to be using these chicken breasts that I purchased in my supermarket, okay? We're going to make this thing fast and easy and simple, all right? I'm going to use all of it that's left in the bag, of course, because we're going to make a salad out of this baby for dinner also. This is lunch, so we're going to make dinner out of this. So I'm going to go ahead and fry all of these. It is so good, you guys. Oh my goodness, this thing is like full with flavor. This is the one that I'm using, the Paradise Kitchen's breaded chicken fillet. This one was from Food Depot. Very affordable, all right? So I'm using that brand, so check them out in Food Depot. Make sure so not keeping it nice and clean when you're not on the food, okay? Chicken, baby, clean up. Clean as you cook, just like your granny always tell you, and your mother, clean as you cook. Make sure that your surroundings is nice and clean when you are handling anything in the kitchen, okay? All right, y'all, so everything is coming along really nicely here. Let's go ahead and turn them on the other side and make sure that they're not burned, of course, okay? All right, pretty much like so. And then we're going to do the same thing to the chicken breasts. And y'all, listen, I know somebody will complain about the chicken breast being in the bag. Y'all, if you want to go ahead and make yours from scratch, go ahead and make it from scratch. Buy your chicken breast, you slice it really thin. You season it with salt and pepper and some chicken seasoning. Whatever seasoning that you have will work. And then you go ahead and you add flour and season your flour. Dip them in that flour and fry them on each side for 4 minutes. Total 5 minutes tops, and your chicken breast will be done, okay? That is how you do it if in case you don't want to do it this way. But in my kitchen right now, the matrix I do it, so we're going to be going in with this very fast. See how that nice and crispy and look good? Really tasty as well. Not only does it look good, y'all, but it tastes just as good. And like I said, y'all, goodie, you could do it the old-fashioned way, just like I explained before, okay? chicken breast, season and fry it, and it comes out just as good as it is here. Perfect. All right. So now that our chicken breast is nice and beautiful, just like I want it to be, and in a bun up, and so is the bacon. It's not bun up. We're going to go ahead and put them on a plate with a little bit of paper towel to suck out the excess amount of oil here, and just let it sit and do what it need to do. Okay, y'all. Now to make a sandwich, of course, you could use any kind of a bread that you want to use. But for today, we are going to be using burger buns, okay? Now, the burger buns that I am using to make the sandwich, I did purchase these burger buns in Aldi's supermarket, all right? So just to give you guys a heads up on the bun of choice that I'll be using here today for this easy recipe. All right, goodie. Make sure that you wash your vegetables really well before you add them into anything. Even if you're just making a really quick salad, just make sure that you're washing your vegetables really good, okay? Because sometimes these lettuce be having dirt on it. The whatever vegetables, especially if you're going to be using celery like I did. Celery, y'all, has a lot of dirt lots and lots of dirt trapped on it. So you want to give it a nice rinse, everything. Even for my tomatoes, y'all, I don't know, tell me if you guys do that in the comments. Sometimes I get a little bit of soap and wash off my tomatoes before I actually cook with them. Let me know if you guys be doing that too. But at the end of the day, just make sure that you're washing your vegetables before you actually put them in your belly. All right? Celeries, whatever, lettuce, whatever. Wash them really good. Carrots, whatever. Wash them really good before you actually cook with it, okay? Y'all, I think I'm done here. Everything is just basic stuff here. I did add some carrots later on when I was eating my food. And that was about it. I had a little bit of, what did I have? I did have some beetroots and carrot juice and ginger and lemon. That's what I had with this today. But this is lunch going on into dinner for later. So y'all, just sit back and enjoy the rest of the video because we are pretty much done here. I'll come back later on and say my goodbyes. That's it, goodies. We are all done here. Please do not hesitate to like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend for tell a friend. Bring them come goodie and send them come because I'm waiting. And when you get done doing all of that, tell me what do you want to see me cook next in my kitchen. And always remember, from my kitchen to your kitchen. Enjoy.